Welcome to Empowerment Odyssey AI, your ultimate guide to unlocking your full potential and living a fulfilling life. At Empowerment Odyssey, we delve into thought-provoking discussions and share practical advice to help you cultivate a positive mindset, build meaningful relationships, and prioritize your health. Through our thought-provoking discussions and practical advice, we empower you to cultivate a positive mindset, foster meaningful relationships, prioritize your health, and pursue your passions. Our mission is to empower you to pursue your passions and lead a life filled with purpose and abundance. Join us on this transformative journey as we explore the beautiful intersection of personal growth, happiness, and well-being. Let's create a vibrant community where we uplift each other and embrace the limitless possibilities of life. Together we can achieve greatness. Embark on an empowerment odyssey, explore personal growth, happiness, and well-being through thought-provoking discussions and practical advice. Join us in unlocking your full potential and creating a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become part of our community dedicated to empowerment and growth. Let's make every day an empowerment odyssey. Subscribe now for a journey filled with passion, motivation, and growth.